So we have an oil code on this. It's a circuit code on this Dodge Avenger, and you got oil on the ground, so you know you put 2 and 2 together. And okay, you can already figure out what it is. So we're gonna find the. I already took this down, so but it's really easy to get to. So we're just gonna take this. That's your sender unit right there. Now if we unplug it, let's just push in, pull out, we're gonna see it's drenched in oil. We're gonna see oil shoved all in there. That's bad. So got us the standard motor. We got a standard motor switch. It's a PS287. Not a sponsor. Just haven't had any issues with their stuff. I got decent pricing. Not the cheapest, but also not the most expensive. I'm gonna get, we'll try 2 extensions. And this socket is a 1 1/16. It's made just for taking out these all these same size and stuff. Just as precaution, get something underneath there. Okay, here we go. Let's get it out. Oh, there we go. Probably needed 1 more extension, but oh well. They don't thread in very far. And there you have it. Yeah, see? Gone. You always want to come up and compare the two to make sure they're identical, which they are. Now before I go any further, I want to go ahead and get the connector in here cleaned up, because yeah, you don't want to leave that wet. We want to get that dry out. I like to take air and napkins first and blow it out with air. That's pretty easy. Put the new one on. Thread it by hand so you don't cross thread it. And now tighten it. We're going to take the nice new clean connector. There's a lock on there, I just can't seem to get it engaged. There we go. All right. Now put the 110mm bolt back right there, and then we'll finish this job and I'll start it and see if there's any more codes. So after you start it, you want to make sure that oil pressure code goes off, which it did, and that's it. So now you just go check it for leaks, and that's it. Hope this video helped. Please like, subscribe, support the channel to help me grow, and see you next time.